Welcome to Prestige Car Supermarket and this 2019 Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic. Very high specification on this one, which I'll run you through now. The car sits on these gorgeous 22-inch gloss black 5 split spoke alloys. It's finished in SVO premium palette, velocity blue, ultra metallic gloss, which on this car in particular was just shy of a £4 extra. We've got deployable side steps, rear entertainment screens, heated second row seats, electrically folding third row seats, an electrically deployable tow bar, a fixed panoramic roof, winged front headrests, a heated steering wheel, a Meridian surround sound system, the park pack, which includes a 360 cam and park assist, air suspension, the two-tone ivory and ebony semi-aniline leather seats, and all the other standard spec that comes on these cars, such as the powered tailgate, the interactive driver display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and of course the configurable terrain response. A very high spec on this Range Rover, and it's online now.